I just got back from Aldi. I did a quick little weekly grocery trip and got about $54 worth of goods. I grabbed a 3-pack of romaine hearts. I grabbed 1 bag of spinach. I grabbed a pound of strawberries, a bag of avocados, 3 jars of the kosher baby whole pickles. These are the best pickles. An assorted pack of peppers, and I also grabbed a 3-pack of the green bell peppers. I grabbed 2 blocks of cheese. I grabbed some Swiss cheese and some sharp cheddar. I ran out of garlic powder, so I grabbed a small bottle to get me through until I order from Azure. I grabbed some tomatoes for some salads and some mayonnaise to keep on hand. For my shelf-stable pantry meals video, I grabbed this mushroom tortellini. And I also grabbed this angel hair pasta as well. That's also for a shelf-stable pantry meals video. Some Parmesan cheese. And I haven't tried this sauce yet, so I figured I'd give it a try. A can of these sliced carrots, a jar of this Alfredo sauce. I haven't tried this either, so I figured I'd give this a try. And I also grabbed these for a project. I grabbed a candle. This is really pretty. This was $4.99, I believe, so I grabbed one of those. This was a 2-pack, but my dog already got one. And then I also grabbed some tomatoes, jalapenos, small sugar pumpkins, and carrots. This is for a little video that I have been doing. I have grabbed some of these cheap seed packets from Menards, from the local grocery store, and now from Aldi, and I just want to see the germination rate. So I grabbed those, and for all of that, it was $53.92. So that's not bad at all for a week's worth of groceries that'll supplement us through. As I go through these, I'm going to write out what we are going to make for dinner this week, and I will let you know. So what I'm going to do as I go through all of this and put it away, I'm going to write down the meals that I'm going to make with this. So now that I have all of this week's ingredients laid out, I just looked in my fridge and I have some cabbage that really needs to be used up. It's actually been in there almost a full month, if not a month. And that's the good thing about cabbage, is it really keeps for a long time in your fridge, but it's time for me to use that up. So I have some cabbage and also some carrots, shredded carrots. So right there, I can use that with some leftover chicken and make a stir fry tonight. And then with these strawberries, I want to make a chicken strawberry walnut salad with some sort of balsamic dressing. Or I actually have this mango infused vinegar, so maybe I'll make a dressing with that. And then I also have this mushroom tortellini and this Alfredo sauce. So I'm going to write both of those down as well. I can use this tortellini alongside this spinach. And then I'll just use this with some chicken. So just like that, I have my 4 meals for the week now. I'm going to make a stir fry with some things that we have on hand. I'm going to make a chicken strawberry walnut and feta salad. I'll make a homemade dressing with this, some mushroom tortellini and spinach Alfredo, and some chicken tomato parm. And that is the next 4 meals. I'll be sure to take you along as I make those this week. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching.